Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 1st to the 3rd of October 2025 on Wednesday. Mamiki pursues wealthy businessman Bagershi fabricating a lie about being a virgin to avoid intimacy. Her plan get complicated when this revelation only makes him more determined to marry her on Thursday. So let's Nthandiswa's plan to kill Jason thwarted when they found out that he skipped town. Pilile is shocked that Mandla has been arrested for murder and he's facing a life sentence on Friday. Mandla's arrest has tongues wagging in Emiameni. Pilile prays for him. Mandla is released from prison when Mabezela's goon is arrested for his murder. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.